We're starting now with Hashem Yisbarach, Masechah Shekalim, Daf Zayin, and it's really Daf Zayin on the base because we did already Daf Zayin on Aleph in the previous recording, and it's the beginning of the second parak of Shekalim. Talk the Mishnah. Mitzarfen Shekalim the Darkoinus. You can make a lot of Shekalim, so we know that they gave in the times of the Mishnah, we said already many times, not a half a shekel, a full shekel, that is a half a selah. Because in the times of the Mishnah, a selah was considered the full coin, and a half of that is called a shekel. And it's also 2 dinarim, and it's also each dinar is 6 mois, so it's 12 mois. So you can take a lot of shekalim and turn them into dark coins. What is the coin? It's a Persian golden coin worth about 16 shekels. That's how much it's worth. So you take all these shekalim, you change them for dark coins. They must be depth. It's too heavy to carry. Shem shoy shoyfres b'migdash, tachoy shoyfres b'Medina. They also had shoyfres b'Medina. Medina means the area of it means outside of Beis Hamikdash, in Yerushalayim. Ne'ir shesholcha shekleim v'nignevu esha avdu. And the person, the gabbai that holds all these bags of shkolim got robbed. Im nitra truma. If this story happened before the truma, after truma was so let's say Sunday the robbery happened and Monday the truma was taken. Aribenei ir kvar nifteru, because b'shas the afrosha these coins were still around, so it means the afrosha was chal on them. So what happened? So the only one who's mafsid now is the gizbar. Nishbam legizbarim shaloi pashu kiraka gizbarim mafsidim. These people are potter because when this robbery happened, the theft happened Sunday, this guy still had the money in his house. This guy, right? So it means they were yaitzer their afrosh. They were yaitzer their mitzvah, and it's just the gizbarim are now losing out. So that's why these people, these shoimrim, have to swear for the gizbar. But if robbery happened before the truma was taken, means Sunday he was robbed, and Monday they made the truma. Because since they have to give another time, so they have to swear for Bnei that they didn't do a peshia, because now they're chayiv to pay another time, so they have to swear that they're not peshia on their money. Nimtzu oishachzir maganovim elishkolim lenem shonam. Zog the Gemara. The Mishnah says you can take it together, make it into dark coins. Why can't you make it into diamonds? After going Shem Tazla, my gods into Hagish Mafs. You cannot give shkolim, pack them together into diamonds and put them in kelim. Omer Shem Shem Yizila kelim into Hagish Mafs. Of Achanam Shem Tazla, my gods into Hagish Mafs. He say there, kulam nivdem. Also employ them b'kelim. Talking about pidyon aben. Kulam nivden b'kesef b'shova kesef chutz min hashkolim. You cannot give shova kesef. You only give kesef. Another din, you cannot be poida hegdish through kelim. So what does it mean? You can give shova kesef. Nivden b'kesef b'shova kesef. Poidem b'kelim. Maybe it means grain, but not kelim. Kelim is not. It's more volatile. So the Gemara. Masnita b'takna chad, takna atik and loibedo. Tanaken atik and migdal atik and medina. Takna atik, there's only one pushka. The Beis Hamikdash didn't have another one. Masnita b'shem mechina, shem esacha loibedo. What does it mean? Chai v'gnei v'aveda. If it's a shem esacha, what's this shvua? Shvua shalei pashaiti. Who cares? It says nishbon. Shbon ligzborm. I swear, if the gizber is nifsat, but if they're shem esacha, it doesn't help. Then they have to swear that that's what happened. That happened to Oinus Gomer. So it could be Shem Sacher, still there's a shvua to say that there was an Oinus. Either they swear for the Gizber or they swear for the Balabais. Depends who is Nifsat. If the Gizber ends up losing out, they have to swear for the Gizber. If the person ends up losing out, for example, the Geneva happened before the Truma, then he has to swear for the Balabais. Umar visti be Simon, Asya kan Omer toimal agovi vala osid ligbais. And kan Omer toimal agovi osid ligbais. This whole din that im nitra teruma, you say that the guy is potter, and that's why the only one who's nifsad is the gizber. It means that Yitoim Alagovi, since it already exists in the packet of the gizber, that's why the guy is potter. But if we hold there's no such thing, so still you have to give another one. So they swear always for the Bnei Yair. So this only works out if you hold that you're potter, that if you have already given it over for a person's hand, and then the truma happened, then it's already you're potter from giving another time. That's why the only one who's nifsad now is the gizber. That's why they swear for the gizber. The end of Daf Zion.